That shit crank. I'm moving too fast. Got 3 on the dash. Bitch, I'm on your ass. Like, where is you going? I'm getting that money, I'm fucking these bitches.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Keandrachick. I know you guys missed me, yay, but I'm back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick DIY on how I went from an oversized jersey to these 2 bomb-ass fitted jersey dresses. And if you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. Give me a thumbs up at the end of this video if you like it. And if you're not new, thank you for tuning in, sis. I love you so much. Let's just jump into this video. Alright guys, for the tools, I will leave all the tools that I use in the description box for you guys. So first things first, you want to make sure your fabric is turned inside out, or either right sides facing right sides. You will see that I did not do that, but it was not intentionally. I just, I was in the go, I was in my mode. So yeah, all I'm doing here is taking my client's measurements and using my pattern to cut out her dress or bodice, whatever you want to call it, whatever it is to you. So that's what I'm doing here. And after I do that, we're going to then turn it inside out and pin it right sides facing right sides. Really don't know if y'all can notice, but your girl be about to break her own damn hand. Like, I be pushing that damn rotary cutter so deep into that, like I just got a heavy hand or something. Like, if y'all can't see in the video, I be like putting pressure on it. So yeah, before I turned it right sides facing right sides, I pinned one side together and folded it over to cut the other side to ensure, it was symmetrical. They were both the same size and cut correctly, because y'all know I'm hungry. It is 4 o'clock in the morning while I'm making these voiceovers, and this is my 3rd YouTube video that I've made. So yeah, we're gonna try to stay consistent, because this time that I've been MIA, I have not been not doing anything. I have been being productive, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So yeah, if y'all wondering the changes in my voiceovers, that's why, because I'm a little tired, you feel me? But now that we have our dress cut out, this is when I realized that it was not inside out, and I turned it right sides facing right sides and pinned it together, and then we're going to sew along the sides. And of course, me being me, I check again to ensure the measurements are correct, and we're going to move on to our second client's jersey dress. And this one is just the same thing, so it's going to be sped up all the way through. I'm doing the exact same thing. Her measurements were different, so I pinned along. Like I said, I use one pattern for everything, so I just pinned along my pattern where her measurements were. And once we have all our pieces cut out and they are pinned right sides facing right sides, we're going to go over to the SERGER machine and serge. And I just love my SERGER because it just makes everything look so neat and professional. Like, it cuts off the excess fabric and evens it out for you. Like, what better can you ask for? And I use this little patch right here to test my SERGER. Like, if I change the thread, I'll start my thread over again. And to start it, I'll use this little patch to start the thread for me. So yeah, that's all I'm doing here, and I'm showing you guys how it looks. I did change the thread colors for the next jersey dress, so that's all I was doing. And yeah, guys, this video is coming to an end. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know you guys missed me, but I got so much to catch you guys up on. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already, sis, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because what are you waiting for, okay? What are you waiting for? We learn together. I learned something new, you learn something new, okay? Like, do y'all see that? Do y'all see the serging and it cutting off the extra fabric on the side over there that I don't need? Like, it's so perfect and pretty. Like, it just looks so neat and professional. It came out of factory, and I made this bitch in front of my bed on a damn $15 table. Okay. And always be sure you take out your pins before it goes under the needle, okay? Because I've had that happen to me once and I almost got my eye popped out, okay? Please be careful with the pins. Not literally, but y'all get the picture. Just always make sure you pull your pins out before it goes under the needle, because that will mess up your sewing machine. It can break your needle, and it can also bend your pen, break your pen, whatever. It will fuck your pen up. So let's just be careful and pay attention to this so we can just avoid all pen popping, needle popping, all that, okay? We don't want nothing to be popping, okay? Nothing to be popping. As I'm coming to a close with my armpit, so is this video. I really love the way they came out. Like, I love them. I love them so much. Like, I really want to keep the Pippins jersey. I want to keep this Bulls jersey, okay? I can't even lie. This is the finished look. I did get my clients to send me pictures and was working the hell out of them, if I may say so my damn self, okay? So, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am Keandra Chick, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.